Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emma and I make art videos, and for today's video I am working on some anatomy sketches using my own reference images. I recently discovered how to take really easy reference images of myself with a good quality camera. Basically, I have a little Canon camera. I use it for my vlogging channel and it takes really good pictures and videos, and it does have Wi-Fi as well, so I can actually connect it to my phone and use the live view option on there, and I can actually see what the camera sees from my phone. So that's a really great way for taking reference images for, creating the right pose. So that's what I did for this video, but there are many other ways that you can make your own reference images. If you've got a mobile phone, most smartphones will have a decent camera and a timer feature. And the other thing I've used in the past is also just using the built-in webcam on my computer as well. That is also really great because it has the timer feature and you can easily see the pose as well. So if you would like a more in-depth video for how to take your own reference images, let me know in the comments below and I will make it. When I was posing, I didn't really know what to do. I mean, I've done some modeling in the past, but as for interesting poses to draw, I was just like, I don't know what to do. So these aren't the most interesting poses. That's something that I do need to get better at, but it still allows me to draw something. If you have been watching my channel for a while now, you may notice I'm trying a couple of different things with this video. So I've been changing between some real-time drawing, some sped up drawing, as well as drawing from different angles. I usually just stick to the one angle and leave it at that, but I did get a comment recently saying that it might be interesting to mix up the angles, and I was like, I'd like to do that. I can't always do that, but for this video I was able to, so I managed to film a couple of bits with my vlogging camera while still recording with my DSLR in case I didn't like the angles or something, but I've included some of those. Hopefully that kind of mixes up the video so it's a bit more interesting. I think sometimes if it's just the one angle it might get a bit boring, so if you like the different angles or if you prefer just the one angle, let me know. I do think the different angles and the different speeds with the real time makes it quite interesting, so let me know what you think. Please let me know if you like these types of videos. Sometimes I feel like if it isn't a complete piece, nobody's gonna really like the video, but if you enjoy these more kind of rough sketching videos, let me know, because they're a lot easier to make. They take a lot less time, and that's mainly it. They are a lot less perfect, you know, these drawings are nowhere near perfect. These are just for practice, but I think that's also really good to show you all that, you know, I don't just make, you know, really good work all the time. There are times where I make things that I really don't like. The one that I'm working on right now, like I look at it now and I'm like, wow, like one of the arms is completely off, and you know, that's a part of the creative process. So if you'd like to see more sketching videos, please let me know in the comments below, and let me know if you like the editing style for this video, and if you would like to see a video of how I make my reference images, like a more in-depth video. I feel like I somewhat covered it in this one, but if you'd like an actual tutorial video for that, let me know. I feel like there are a lot of questions in today's video, but I really do appreciate your opinions. You know, I wouldn't be making these videos if it weren't for those of you watching, so I do want to make videos that I do enjoy myself, but I also want to make videos that you actually want to watch. So yes, anyway, that is all from me today, so I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you all next time.